Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Welcome to episode 7 on my Halloween series. Today is not only episode 7, you guys. Today is October 7th and it is my daughter's 18th birthday. I'm super excited. It's such a huge milestone. It's kind of bittersweet that she's already 18. I can't believe it. But she's super excited about it and that kind of makes me happy. You know how we all love to be an adult. That's exactly how she feels right now. So I want to ask you guys for a favor to please down below show her some birthday love and just say happy birthday. She loves to read comments that you guys leave. So I'm sure that if she sees you guys wishing her a happy birthday, she is going to get super excited. And yeah, so a little happy birthday Liana would be amazing. So back to our video. On today's video, we're going to make these super cute little mini Memorydex cards that I showed on my Instagram sometime last week or the week before. And I'm going to show you guys the difference between a regular size Memorydex card and the ones that I'm making today with you guys. This is a 4x4 and these are the little minis. So the change is pretty crazy, but I think they look super cute. I love everything tiny, so of course I had to make some tiny Memorydex cards. I'm going to show you guys what you need. These are super easy, like all my projects. So yeah, let's get on with the video. And what you're going to need, of course, is some cardstock paper. I'm using this Authentic Bewitched collection from 2017. I decided to use the plaid paper because I love it. The papers are double-sided. This is a little skeleton, but I love this plaid. I love it so much that I'm going to do 2 cards with that. And this kit does come with some stickers. We might use some of this or some of my little loose Halloween ephemera. You guys, I found this bag filled with Halloween ephemera and I stuck it in this little box. And I'm like, really, Lily? This is so much. But I'm going to try to use it in my projects. And yeah, so what you're going to need is, of course, cardstock paper, some ephemera. You're going to need your Heidi Swap Memorydex punch if you have one. If not, you can definitely use the technique that I used on a previous video that I showed you guys. I'll link that down below, how to make Memorydex cards without the Heidi Swap punch or the dies, because I'm not using any dies, but I will give you guys the measurements of these little squares. You can make them as small as you want, and that's really all you need, you guys. It's basically more embellishing than it is anything else. So let's create these super cute little Memorydex cards. I've already inked my edges on my little pieces of paper, so you guys, if you want to ink them, you can do so. If not, you can use regular ink or you can use the Tim Holtz Distress inks. They both will look great. When you have your little squares, I have 2 different sizes here, not too different, but let me see. And you can have them any shape. You could do a heart, you can do like a little ghost shape, you can do any type of size you want. And I'm going to punch them and show you guys. Take your little piece of paper and you just kind of like try to even it out as much as you can so that your punches are, your little holes, not your punches, are right in the center. So we're going to punch that down. As you can see, your little holes are right there. And I'm going to do the same with this one. I'm going to do it this way. And I just basically eyeball it to see how even it is. And punch away. And that's what that looks like. And if you want to do your little tabs, which I will do, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. You grab your envelope punch board. Let me grab mine. You grab your envelope punch board and you basically, what I do is and I'll have the measurements down below so you guys can definitely check it out and do that. I'm going to punch it on, I think, what is it, 1 1.5? Is it 1.5? Yeah, 1.5. And then you get left with something like that. And you can do either side wherever you want your tab. I'm going to do it on this side. So you're going to just cut that little piece off. And so the edges don't look so just bland. To me, that's just, it could look cuter. I'm going to punch right in the center. Do you guys see? Let me see. Hopefully you can see. In the middle of this little joining arrow from the scoring, you're gonna put it right in the center, as straight as you can. I have to do it this way, just so I can give it a cute little edge. I'm trying to make it, and then you get left with something like that. Can you guys see that? It's just super cute and different. And then of course I want to round my corners. Well, I'm gonna just round this corner. See that? Or you can leave it like a square, however you want it. I'm not gonna round the ends because I actually like the way that shape came out. And then we're gonna work on the second one. And then the second one, I'm thinking I want to leave this one like this. I'm just going to do the little edges. So kind of like one big tab. You guys see that? I like the way that looks. I think that looks super cute. So we're gonna do that, and now we're going to decorate them. Let me place my punch somewhere in this mess I have here, you guys. If you saw the mess around me, crazy. Okay, so now I want to figure out what I want to do with my cards. My edges are nice and inked. Just want to edge over here. Okay, so what do I want to do? Let's see. And if you guys wanna, that don't look down below, let me see. One of the cards is 2 7/8 by 3, and the other one is 2.5 by 3 1/8. Those are the sizes, but I'll have them down below. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this cute little spooky card because I absolutely love it. And see what I have here. And I was thinking I can either put it like this and then use this little spider this way. We're winging it, you guys. And then maybe we can put like a little, ooh, I found the cute little mummy. How cute is he? Yes, 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 yes. This is how I want my card to look. See how simple? It doesn't have to be so over embellished. So we're gonna put these down. I'm using, of course, my hot glue gun. Hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. I have just been home working on design team projects and cooking for my daughter. She asked for lasagna, so I made her some lasagna. She's out hanging out with her friends, of course. Later on, we're gonna cut a cake. I don't know if I should put the, if he might be too big, you guys. You think he's too big? It might cover the spooky. Or should I just do it like that, like spook? No, I don't know if I feel like I want to hide. Maybe I can get something, a skinnier skeleton. Oh my gosh, that's so wrong. Let's find something skinnier. Let's see, maybe this little cat. Oh, he's cute. Sorry, mommy boy. You had to go. Oops. Okay. And let's put the little black kitty right here. Oh, he looks cute. See that, you guys? Look at it. Super easy. And then you just grab some, let me see, maybe I can put one of these little pumpkins. These are some little flakes that I was sent last year. I think these are from Daiso. You can put like a little pumpkin next to him. And I think these are stickers, but I'm still gonna add the hot glue in the back. And it goes perfectly with the card. I'll have everything linked down below so you guys can check it out, including the paper collection. Okay, so now we're gonna grab some enamel dots, because enamel dots always finish every little project. And I'm gonna use some of these orange ones. I'm gonna put one up here, and then We can do like, maybe I should do like a little green dot right here with a little yellow. And our first card is done, you guys. This is our first little Memorydex card. And maybe I should put like a little bow on the little cat. Let me see if I can find a small little bow to put on it. Should I put this one? Not, but it's pink. I don't want to do a pink bow because this is Halloween. Let's see. A little, is that purple? Yeah, maybe we could do a purple. Okay, we'll do a purple little bow right on the cat. I don't remember where I got all these little bows from, these little silver bows. I think it's from my friend Jazz. There you go. So Memorydex card number 1 down, and now we're gonna do this cute little tiny one. And what are we gonna put on you? Let's see. So we have this cute little spider web that we can use. But we'll cover the tab. That's cute so far. I really wanted to use that mummy guy. I think he would be cute. So maybe we should put him like this. And then maybe like a or X out the mummy boy again. He's just not making the cut, you guys. And we can put this cupcake kind of covering the tab, but it's okay. I'm okay with that. If we put the little witch and then we put like Hocus Pocus. That might be too big. Let's see. So do you guys have a ton of Halloween ephemera like I do? It's ridiculous. Ridiculous the amount of Halloween ephemera that I have. I had some words down here. Let me see. Oh, look at this one, October 31st. No, it's too big. I have a bunch of candy corn, maybe, like, I don't know how I hope my head is not in the frame. I think I say that in every, or should I put like boo? Should I put boo right here? And I feel like I want to put like a spider web. And maybe like a bat? No. Okay, let me see. Maybe this might be too much. Yep, that's too much. So I like boo. But what would we do like over here? I feel like it's too plain. Maybe I could put this cute little candy corn here. And then maybe, or maybe I can do, no. You guys, I'm stuck. I get stuck too. Let me see. Maybe I can use something from the actual collection that I might like here. Let's see what we have. This is cute. But I kind of like the way this looks. But what can I add to it? I wish you guys can talk to me. Oh, I like this Halloween look. I found this cute little ticket. Okay, so let's put down. Let's commit, you guys. We're going to commit to the cupcake with the witch legs. We're just going to commit. Okay. And since she has a little purple on her legs, I think this will go perfect if we put it like right here maybe. So it does go. We can put Halloween right here. And then maybe we can add, let's see, if I find a cute little saying or something to put on the bottom. I think I found a smaller hocus pocus. That might be too much. What is this? Monsters. That's not gonna work. I'm gonna do a little candy corn here. Maybe I have, you guys, and I still have that ephemera, and I still have all of this. Can you believe that? Is that not ridiculous? Do I need that much? I do not. I have some words here. What does this say? Oh, look at this one. It says, I think I found the one that I want to put here. So this one says witching hour. And I think that'll go perfect. It's simple, but I kind of like the way it looks. And I have no idea where these gold words came from in my stash. But this is the last of it. And then I'm going to put the candy corn right in the bottom. Let me add another glue stick. We'll add this candy corn right here. And those are, let me get some enamel dots so before I finish. We can put a cute little black one right here. A little yellow one right by the candy corn. And that's it, you guys. Here are our mini little Memorydex cards. It took me forever because I actually didn't have what I wanted to do on the cards. I kind of just did it with you guys, and sometimes that takes long when you're just picking out your ephemera pieces, and you guys know I don't speed up my videos, so it's not too bad. We're only at 17 minutes, but that's it for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.